Hi, this is Pat Walker at Mission Winners. One of the best things we can do is organize our search endeavors. Focus on leading groups and leading stocks. Focus on leading stocks and leading groups. It's a fact. The vast majority of stocks that make great moves are in good groups. So why not stack the deck in your favor? And here's a way to organize it. Just look at the ETFs. So we're going to do it. Here we go. This is a biotechnology ETF, as it says, and it's had a good run. COVID related, it's doing well. Pretty hard selling right here on that bar, okay? The trend is still up, but there was some serious selling there. The biggest selling it's had in months. Something to consider. Naturally, this is related to COVID. Cloud computing is acting good. Software related, runs up on good volume, pulls back on less volume. That's constructive. Telemedicine, COVID related, doing fine. EDOC is the ticker symbol. Just going sideways. There was some serious selling on this bar and serious selling on this bar. Just something to be aware of. Really heavy selling, so got to be cognizant of it. IBD 50 is doing fine. Pulled back a little bit, got a little loose, okay? But again, this is a good proxy of the major growth stocks, the IBD 50 stocks. So this one focuses on max list stocks, FV, Frank Victor. By the way, so that you know, the ticker symbol's always in the upper left-hand corner. FV, Frank Victor. Nice steady trend. Just good. What does that tell you? Hey, look at the max list stocks, which we do every day. Gold, this is great. Gold miners. What is this? In 1 second, what does this tell you? Don't look at the gold miners. What does this tell you? Yeah, the gold's kind of choppy too. There's really nothing special there. Biotechnology, COVID related, hanging in, pulled back just a little bit, some selling volume here and there. These two bars, but supported the 21 EMA, so it's okay. Technology, what does this tell you? Hey, technology's been good and it's still good. Medical, what does this say? That's good, it's fine. Something to look at. Home builders, this was really leading into October and now it's gotten choppy. What does that say? Maybe an area to back away from. There you go. Focus on other areas. We have a limited amount of money and a limited amount of time. Let's look for the good stuff. This one owns a lot of the max list stocks, as pointed out. Look at that. It's grinding on up. So look at the max list. Small cap has been acting better. Going sideways right now. It's still above the rising 21 EMA. A little bit of selling on this bar right here, but the trend is still up. Mid cap, the same thing. Small cap, mid cap. What else does that tell you? There's more of a risk-on environment. They're buying the smaller cap stocks too. That's good. That's positive. Oil services going sideways. Constructive. Still above the rising 21 EMA or on the flat 21. It's fine. Online retailing acting good. And it has been acting good. Picture this. All the way back here, you see this. What does that tell you? Hey, maybe I should look at some online retailing stocks. There you go. Software. What does this say? Way back here. It says, gosh, I guess I should look at some software stocks. Yeah, it'd probably be a good thing to do. Oh, gosh, it was. There you go. That's what we do at Mission Winners. NASDAQ 100, QLD has been steady. That's good. QQQ, the non-leveraged one, same thing, good. Cloud computing has been strong for a while. I mean, picture this. Go back. You see this and you say, it's hanging in pretty good. Fell on some volume here. You know, maybe if it goes across these tops, that'd be something to consider. Oh, gee, look at that. Really wasn't heavy volume, but oh, okay, it is grinding up. It's something maybe there's some volume came into it. There you go. That told us way back in November. Hey, watch cloud computing. Silver, just chopping around. Okay, it's okay, but nothing really great. Steel, a little bit better. Look at steel. Semiconductors have been strong. You see the technology theme here? S&P 500, the spiders, grinding on up. You like that. SSO, the leveraged one, like that. Solar has been strong. We've been involved with solar stocks. Look at that. Look at that trend. You know what that is? Breakout here. That's sweet potato pie right there. Small cap, just like IWM, fine. Aerospace, going sideways right here, basing nicely. Oh, maybe there's some aerospace stocks we should look at. And there's a great tactic for you. You can say, well, what ones are they? go on Google and type in XAR holdings, and you'll see the top 10 holdings. That helps you. Here we go. Biotechnology, another biotechnology. Home builders are just chopping around. It was strong earlier, but it's chopping right now. Materials, still hanging in, just going sideways. That's good to see. Communications, technology related, is good. Energy ran up, pulled back just a little bit, lost a little bit of leadership here. Financials, look at that. If the world's ending, then how come financials have been doing well? That's why I don't get wrapped up in all the news. I let the charts tell me what to do, and you should too, okay? Technology, fine. Consumer staples just going sideways, not a lot of leadership right now. Utilities, what does this tell you? What did it tell you back here when it was doing that? I don't think I need to look at utility stocks. Look at that big reversal bar. Look at that big down volume bar. It told us way back here in the first part, stay away. And we did. And you missed this. Healthcare still going sideways. Basing good. Consumer discretionary is good. You know, I say this every week, and I've got to say it again. We've got COVID-19, you know, the consumer's dead. Everything's, you know, it's the end of the world. Yeah, Yeah, it's the end of the world. Yep. There. Oh, gosh. Well, just ignore this. This isn't real. Okay? That's why, that's why, see this? All through the summer and into the fall, and all the way through late fall, that is why we look at the charts. Be cognizant of the news, but let the charts tell you what to do. You'll be better for it. No bias. Metals and mining hanging in. Retailing. Oh gosh. Nobody's buying anything. Yeah, and the retail index is hitting all-time highs. I want to pause here and just share this. Please don't think, oh, Patrick's the eternal bull. No, that's not the issue. We're just people that look at the charts and let the charts guide us on what to key on and or what to steer clear of or avoid. It helps us. There's a tremendous amount of information in the charts. By the way, you notice this was just daily charts. You can do daily or the weekly. Bigger trends. A good trend pays more than all the in and out action. Just have to share that with you. Software. Look at that. Another software ETF. Isn't that great? Love that. And back to the top. Anyway, that's where we're at. Happy New Year to all of you. I hope it's a good year for all of you. A healthy year. A healthy year in all respects. And a year where you help other people, enrich other people's lives. That's a good thing. And I'm not talking about money. I'm talking about just being there for people. Let's do this. Let's go. Let's rock and roll and make it a good one. Or as they say, hey, sweet potato pie.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.